This is Jay. Jay is a happy little boy. He loves playing with his toys every day. One day, Jay's room was very messy. Toys were on the floor, books were under the bed. Jay could not find his red toy car. Jay looked here and there, but the toy was still missing. Just then, Jay's mom came into the room. She smiled and sat beside him. Mom said, "Jay, when we keep our room clean, we can find our toys easily. A clean room also keeps us safe." Jay listened carefully. Together, Jay and Mom started cleaning. They picked up toys, they put books on the shelf, they folded the clothes. Soon, the room looked clean and bright. Suddenly, Jay found his red toy car. He felt very happy and proud. Jay smiled and said, "Thank you, Mom. I will keep my room clean every day." And from that day on, Jay learned that cleaning his room is important and good.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.